In this video, I will be unboxing and demonstrating the ultimate everyday stainless steel wok. I bought the wok at Costco for $25. It came with a lid and spatula. Let's open it up. The lid is made with tempered glass and it has a polished stainless steel finish. The wok is 13 inches and has a tri-ply clad stainless steel construction, which helps to evenly distribute the heat. It feels sturdy and well built, and as you can see, it has a front handle too, which is awesome. You can also hang it from the handle like this. The spatula is 15 inches long and is made from solid stainless steel. Make sure you wash the wok and the spatula before you use it. First, we cook the chicken with some oil, garlic and ginger. Then we added some mixed vegetables. Afterwards, we added the noodles, sauce and green onions. It was very delicious. The next day, we cooked some shrimp fried rice. We cooked the eggs with some oil. We added 2 pounds of shrimp. And then we caramelized 1 onion. Next, we added some steamed rice. Then, we combined the eggs and the shrimp with the rice. At the end, we poured some soy sauce around the edge and completed our dish with some green onions. Overall, I like the wok and the spatula. However, I don't like the glass lid, because after washing it, the water collected under the red silicone handle and inside of the stainless steel edge. In conclusion, I think it's worth the price, even without the lid.